But we need to stop talking and pay attention. So this problem, you may have not seen this problem exactly on Khan Academy. I'll read it out loud. It says cookies are on sale today. Each cookie costs 75 cents less than the normal price. Right now, if you buy 7 of them, it'll only cost you $2.80. So with a problem like this, that 280 is your total. So we can set this equal to 280. You don't have to write this down, but if you are, that's fine. And then we see that each cookie costs 75 cents less than the normal price. We don't know what that price is, but we know it's going to be 75 cents less than. So we can take whatever the normal price is and subtract 75 cents. We also know that we're going to buy 7 of them to get that 280. So since we're buying 7 of them, this entire thing is going to be multiplied by 7. I think there was an apple question, very similar, and an orange farm question that the setup is similar. And then you would solve this just like normal. So if I reveal this, it would show the correct answers. 21. So there were different ways that Khan Academy accepted this, but as long as you had some form of that, that was correct.
So there will be a problem like this one.
Maybe. Okay. Did we have specific Delta Math Khan Academy review questions that we wanted to go over? Because I want to get those out and clarify. Hey, Kayla, please move forward.
Absolute value bars where you like let equal to absolute value was equal to 2. Like not the ones that I always have this emphasize that we
Yeah, so those will not, the ones on both sides, you will not see that on the test. That's why we did that one in class, to show you that those are different.
And my other question was, can you like explain again, my answer would be like,
Infinitely many, no solution or one.
yes.
So, like this one. When you get to this part and you're solving, if you look on both sides, if the number in front of your variable is the same, but the number without a variable is different, that's going to be no solution every single time. If you see that there, you don't have to continue solving, but you can. I'm going to make up a problem right now. This is like sleeping. If you were to solve an equation and they look exactly the same on both sides, that would be infinitely many solutions. No matter what, if you saw that from there, you could, you didn't need to keep solving, but you could. One solution happens in a couple different ways. If you have different coefficients or different numbers in front of your variable, there could be a positive and negative of the same number. It could be 2 completely different numbers. It doesn't matter. As long as these 2 numbers are different, you're going to have one solution, no matter what. Hold on one second. Another way you could have one solution is if all of the variables are just on one side. So like number 1 is going to have one solution because all the variables are on one side. However, if I were to combine all my like terms and like all my variables disappeared, they canceled each other out on the same side, then we could have a no solution or infinitely many, but it would depend on what you get as the final answer. If you get this when all the variables cancel, that'd be no solution. If you get this, they'd be infinitely many. Peyton, and then Savannah.
Can you do number 15?
I had it the wrong way. Yeah, so 15 is not going to be on the test, so don't worry about that one. Savannah.
Will there be any questions on proportion?
Yes.
Could you go over one of them?
So I know we did number 8 last time, so we can do 7. Anytime you have fractions that equal each other, your first step is to cross multiply. So this would be 9 times 4. This would be 2 times all of this. And then we would solve, once it's out of the proportions, you would solve it like a normal equation. So the only part you need to really remember is cross multiply. And then everything else is the same. Michaela?
Okay, let's do number 18.
In which part?
This will work fine.
18 is also not something you're going to see, so don't worry about that. Jenna,
For number 9, would the answer be
which number 9?
oh, last page number 9? Would the answer be minus 8 and 3?
This one?
Yeah.
Let's see. 2x plus 5 equals 11. 2x minus 5 equals 11. Actually, I have this answer key somewhere.
Oh, okay.
I'm not perfect.
For number 13, did you get
Which number 13?
it? Is that the bottom?
Would we get what?
DEAC.
Yes. Nicholas?
Can you do number 17 more help?
17. Yes, I think we did 17, so we can do it again. And so a rectangle has a length of 6 inches, less than twice its width. The perimeter is 54 inches. Set up an equation to find L. 6 inches less than twice its width would be 2W minus 6. You have to know your perimeter is 2 times your length plus 2 times your width. Put the equation for L in and your number 54. And then you can start solving for W. Combine your like terms, get W by itself. Once you find one of them, you can put that back in and find the other. So I could put 11 in for this one. And find that this is 16. Okay, then. I'll say 16, the setup is similar to 17. You set up one equation, put it into the other one, but she'll only have like the perimeter question where you have to do that.
So we don't have to do 16
So the work problems only gonna be like parameter.
So it'll be those and like, let's see, I don't think I have this up. When we first started the work problems, we did like a post office question, we did like the car questions, it'll be more like those. The Khan Academies that you did, where the setup is easier, it'll be more like those.
Level 14 is no solution.
14 on the last page.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I mean, page 4.
This
Yeah.
Did I also remember some of these? So 3h minus 2. I don't know what these are.
Oh, yeah.
This one, it should be instantly many. Because you get the same thing. So your first objective on solving equations is solving it. Just solving it. Variables on one side, variables on two sides, proportions, all of those things. Second objective is word problems. Just word problems. There's 8 questions, but it's really only 4 word problems. It's like 2 parts per word problem. One is setting up the equation, one is solving it. And then the third section is absolute value. I'm not here. Okay. Any other last minute questions before we start our test? Clear off your desk except for your computer, scrap paper if you need that, your pencil, your calculator.
But I have my open record right there.
Okay. So I'm going to run down to the library. Make sure you don't have anything else open on your computer. You will have Desmos in the test, in each test. My suggestion is going to be to start with the word problems, only because that may take you the longest. Whether you use that suggestion is completely up to you. And then once you see the test, it should be open, you can start.
You're like doing the version.
They'll be really fun today. Going through the formulas, close out everything else. You can always go back into your history and read. Are you not in the class today? Or you are? remember to, if it asks you to show your work, to take a picture of it, of your work, and upload that.
little bit always on a search, trying to find that one. But it's funny how they might not recognize it when it finally comes. Think it's at the mall or sipping at the bar. All these dates and phone conversations, we doing it all for what? When your Mrs. Right is always Mrs. Wrong. But I never stopped to notice you were there all along. Girl, you're everything I could ever want and need. Now it's all clear to me, and that's why today I made up my mind. I'm gonna take this chance, bet my life on this precious love I found in you. Yesterdays are gone, tomorrow's never promised. No, I finally decided, girl, that my today is you. Now that I'm about to put myself out on a limb for love, that means no more at the club. Pick something up, no more late night creeping, hollering, trying to see what's good for tonight. I wanna be the best man for you. If I gotta change my ways, then baby I'll do whatever I got to keep you here by my side. And starting with today, I said I've made up my mind, yeah. Gonna take this chance, bet my life on this love, this precious love found in you. My yesterdays are gone, and tomorrow's never promised. No, 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 finally decided, girl, that my today is you. Said it kinda took me a while. How much you really mean, yeah. So clear, anyone can see. But I wasn't ready for love. I believe that you and I, and that's why today I made up my mind. Take this chance, bet my life on this love, on this precious love, yeah, you. Yesterdays, all my yesterdays are gone. Never promised you no more. Finally decided, girl, that my today I made up my mind. I'm gonna take this chance, bet my life on this precious love I found in you. Yesterdays are gone, tomorrow's never promised to no one.
Let me know, do I still got time to grow? Things ain't always set in stone. That be no, let me know. Let me, seems like street lights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, but I'm just not there. All the street lights glowing happen to be just like moments passing I'm just not there in the streets. I'm just not there. Life's just not fair. Seems like streetlights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of you. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, but I'm just not there. All the streetlights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of you. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, but I'm just not there. All the streetlights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, but I'm just not there in the streets. In the streets, I'm just not there in the streets. I'm just not there. Life's just not fair. Life's just not fair.
It could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. Loving you is like a battle, and we both end up with scars. Tell me who I have to be to get so reciprocity. See, no one loves you more than me, and no one ever will. Is this just a silly game that forces you to act this way? Forces you to scream my name, then pretend that you can't say. Tell me who I have to be. I know what we gotta do to get so reciprocity. See, no one loves you more than me, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know it ain't working. It ain't working. It ain't working. When I try to walk away, you hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? As painful as this thing has been, I just can't be with no one else. See, I know what we've got to do. You let go, and I'll let go too. 'Cause no one's hurt me more than
Come on.
Might as well be a skeleton. Ain't have no life within me. Needed some medicine. Couldn't find the right remedy. Singing deep in the quicksand. Trying to hide the way I feel. Wouldn't open my heart again. Until I knew it was real. Felt like the wind that came and breathed right back into my heart again. It gave my life no meaning. Almost like a fairy tale. Feels too good to be true. When it strikes, there's nothing you can do. You can run but can't hide. Tell you no lie when love finds you. You can try to play it off, be cool, but trust you can't lose when love finds you. Just commit, don't you fight it. When love finds you. When love finds you. Finds you. Finally feel like I breathe again. Give me all the life I need. More than love, you're my best friend. That I found someone who understands me. Before I say it, you read my mind. I better have you make me feel complete. You got all the ingredients for love's recipe. Like the wind that came and breathed right back into my heart again. It gave my life no meaning. Almost like a fairy tale. Feels too good to be true. When it strikes, there's nothing you can do. You can run but can't hide. Tell you no lie when love finds you. You can try to play it off, be cool, but trust you can't lose when love finds you. Just commit, don't you fight it. When love finds you. When love finds you. Finds you. Looking for love. I wasn't looking. I wasn't looking for love. I wasn't looking. Wasn't looking for love. I wasn't looking. Wasn't looking for love. For love. Oh. You can run but can't hide. Tell you no lie when love finds you. You can try to play it off, be cool, but trust you can't lose when love finds you. Just commit, don't you fight it. When love finds you. When love finds you. Finds you. You can run but can't hide. Tell you no lie when love finds you. You can try to play it off, be cool, but trust you can't lose when love finds you. Just commit, don't you fight it. When love finds you. When love finds you. Finds you. Ooh, yeah. People been talking about it. We won't just stand here in silence. Can't stop the fire from rising, rising. Whoa.
People, don't you be afraid. So many innocents slain. This is an era for change, change.
Malcolm's probably turning in his grave.
Every shade was beautifully made and powerful. There's so much strength in you and me. Powerful. beautiful future where skin don't define any human, and stars are the only thing shooting. Oh,
Mothers who bury their child. How can we sit there and hide? Change comes when all take a stand now. Stand up, stand up. Martin's speech still echoes in my brain.
every shade was beautifully made
And powerful. There's so much strength in you and me. Powerful. A breath away from victory.
that I can count on you. When that's not possible, tell me, can you ever restore?
'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times and bad times. He would always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Love unconditional. I'm not asking just of you. Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done.
But I need somebody who will stand by me. When it's tough, she won't run. She will always be right there for me. Everybody loves them. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Storms will come. I know all the days won't be perfect. But shawty, can you stand it? Can you stand the rain? Can you stand the rain? No pressure from me, baby. 'Cause I want you and I need you and I love you. Tell me, baby, will you be there for me? Come on, baby, let's go get wet. Can you stand the rain? Will you be there, girl? Storms will come for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. 'Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating. 'Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love off a subtweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this because I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night then. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's find the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Nothing else but you. No, I don't need nothing else but you.
Every
30 minutes
day
left.
is so wonderful, and suddenly it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. I am beautiful. won't you bring me down today?
Love, there's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, the joys and hurts. Love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Oh, oh, oh. Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss, for your touch, your feel, your essence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do, felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. Lord, yeah, yeah. So many people, so many people. Love, no. Those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Yeah. Through all the ups and downs,
open day to finish tomorrow evening or starting next week, but and as soon as possible.
Listen, mama, so many words to describe you. Strong will be an understatement. Warrior would suit you so much better, 'cause you've been fighting, seeing so much beauty from within. You didn't have to give, but you give it so special. Just wanna take this time to let you know look in her eyes, she's such a queen, the perfect example of pure loyalty. She gives it all so unselfishly, and she does it all just from loyalty. That's my mama. I never knew someone to sacrifice everything for love, even gave up their whole life. Everything you've been through is nothing that I won't do for you. See, you deserve the best of what this world can offer you. I'm so grateful, yes I am. I'm only the one to guide you. We are who we are because you loved us from the start. The start. Everything you've been through is nothing that I won't do for you. See, you deserve the best of what this world can offer you. Everything you've been through is nothing that I won't do for you. See, you deserve the best of what this world can offer you.
Yeah. Nowadays, I don't understand why my love doesn't love me like she used to before. Now lately, the sun just doesn't shine, and my paradise is gone. 'Cause most of the time we argue over things that doesn't really matter. Lord knows that I tried. Lord knows I've tried. For my love, so what should I do?
Come to understand,
Yeah.
it's all about give and take.
I know.
It can be so demanding.
Oh, yeah,
They won't
yeah.
always go your way. If you just give it time
Yeah.
and think about her feelings,
Yeah.
things will work out fine. Learn to make her your best friend.
I hear what you're saying, but my girl, she's always complaining and blaming me for things I'll never do. And I don't know what it is that I did that was so wrong to make her feel I'll ever be untrue to her. 'Cause most of the time, yeah, argue and fight over things that doesn't really matter. Lord knows I tried. All my love to her. What should I do?
Come to understand,
What?
it's all about give and take. It can be so demanding.
I know,
They won't
I
always
know,
go your
I
way.
know.
If you just give it time,
Give it time.
think about her feelings,
Her feelings.
things will work out fine.
Oh, yeah,
Learn to make her your best friend. See, what you need to do is I'll catch you now.
next time I'll try a little tenderness. And even make sure that I give her more compliments. Maybe I could practice on being more patient and compromise for my baby. Yeah, yeah. Oh, in my life. Yeah, yeah. I will, yeah, yeah. Oh, yes. In the end, yes. What? Always be. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, all right. In your life. My life. Got to be willing. Got to be willing. Oh, yes.
I can't stay away from you too long. Even if I do, I'll always call. Checking on you, make sure you're okay. Be the one to brighten up your day. Yeah, yeah. And the point of it all is I love you. Yeah. You know I love you, baby. Oh, oh. My days seem long whenever we're apart. It's like someone had stolen away my heart. You're a major part of my life. And no matter what the storm may bring, I'm fine with you. And the point of it all, I love you. And the reason for it all, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you, girl. Stay away. Don't wanna be without you. I need you. I can't stay away too long. Why don't you stay around for a while? I can't stay away too long. And the point of it all. And the point of it all. And the point of it all. And the point of it all, and the reason for it all, and the point of it all, I love you. Yeah, yeah. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Whenever we're apart, it damn near stops my heart.
Jonathan Campbell, I remember.
exactly how you feel. But can you believe now when you're on your knees now, begging and pleading now? Can you believe when all that you've got is doubt? No one to pull you out, and your heart is slowing down. Can you believe? Oh. See, the person I love the most is so far away tonight. Woo! And no other medicine or promises gonna heal me upright. But I got to believe that her and me will be together, 'cause that's all I got. And I know when you're down at the bottom, can you believe? Can you believe now when you're on your knees now, begging and pleading now? Can you believe all that you've got is doubt? And no one to pull you out when your heart is slowing down. Can you believe? Can you believe when all hope seems gone? When your mother and father can't keep you safe from home? Can you forgive in your heart? Can you ask for forgiveness when nobody else believes? Can you believe? Can you feel it in yourself? Woo! Ho! Can you believe when all that you got is down and no one to pull you out? Your heart is slowing down. Can you believe? If nobody's watching, you will never know. If somebody's watching, you will never know. If nobody's watching, you will never know. If somebody's watching, you will never know. If nobody's watching, you will never know. If somebody's watching, you will never know. You're on your knees now, begging and pleading now. Your heart is slowing down. Can you believe?
I have to go.
Have a good rest of your day. Have a good weekend.
I can hear your laugh. It's ringing through the hallways. I can see your smile. It's what gets me through my hard days. And your words were supposed to get me through my heartache, before my heartbreak. There's an emptiness that only few ever feel, and I somehow missed the meaning of love that is real, and it complements my scars that will never heal. Maybe I didn't deserve you. Maybe I just couldn't cure you. They told me that I didn't hurt you. Why do I feel like I turned you? don't understand it. Tell me, is this how you planned it? Did you see us so stranded? Maybe I'm too much to manage.
AR-15s and 10s.
And if you weren't gonna guide me, why bring me into the light? Must have done something to make you want to run and hide. Why, oh, why
How about we don't talk?
didn't you just live your life?
Long or short?
And every girl needs a mother. Damn it, I needed you. Instead, you dug for cover and you ran from the truth. And like kids do, you waited around for proof. Maybe I didn't deserve you. Maybe I just couldn't cure you. They told me that I didn't hurt you. Why do I feel like I turned you? And maybe I don't understand it. Tell me, is this how you planned it? Do you see us so stranded? Maybe I'm too much to manage. Maybe I didn't deserve you.
And I'm just like, I'm not driving you to school anymore.
Waiting on you for so long. Too many days since January. I'm still sitting here alone. We should've did this already. Said I got an email today. Kinda thought that you forgot about me. But I wanna hit you back to say, just like you, I get lonely, baby. I could really get to know you. Take my time and show you. Don't tell anybody what we do. When I get lonely, take me to another place where I'll be face to face, just you and me, with no rules, just like you. I get lonely too. Just like you, I get lonely too. Just like you, I get lonely. Ready for us to get it on. Ain't got a lot to call steady. Hope it ain't like that for long. I'll be your friend if you let me. Don't wanna come on strong, cause too many people wanna get me. But you know I do what I gotta do, just like you. I get lonely, baby. I could really get to know you. Take my time and show you. Don't tell anybody what we do. When I get lonely, take me to another place where I'll be face to face, just you and me, with no rules, just like you. I get lonely too. Just like you, I get lonely too. Just like you, I get lonely. Don't tell anybody what we do. When I get lonely, take me to another place where I'll be face to face, just you and me, with no rules, just like you. I get lonely too. Just like you, I get lonely too. Just like you, I get lonely. I get lonely. I get lonely. Just like you.
If you haven't already, go ahead and find any Delta Math Khan Academy questions you may have on any of the negatives, parallel perpendicular lines, linear regression, or word problems. As you're thinking about any of the would you rather have eyes that can capture everything from video or ears that can double sounds? I don't know. Maybe not. Like if I could see, I could just hear my voice, hear you guys talking, things like that. Pretending that we're not.
Video. I don't want my phone with
Okay. On the safe path, I like that. Anyone else want to share their opinion? Listening to an audio didn't really help me out to see it visually. But for me, it's like if I see something, I could remember what was said. Was talking about that, or like if I see a video, like even if it doesn't have the sound of something that happened in the past, I can remember like. Anyone else want to share their opinion? Did anyone find a Delta Math Academy question that they wanted to go over? Word problems you won't see on the quiz. They'll be more like the last page. The very last page. You still want to go over one? When am I after school?
those same days. And then, Nanasa, did you just ask me something? What meme am I? These.
Oh.
There you go. You guys are like eerily quiet today. It's weird. Thank you. Is this for both of you?
Yes.
Okay. I actually didn't take attendance, so I should probably do that. Field trip. This is here, here. You guys choose. Which of these questions do you want to see or go over? You want to see or go over?
Pick one from this page or this page. If you have a specific one on the last page you want to go over, you can do that one. They're all basically the same except for number 5. Number 5 is slightly different, but all the other ones are basically the same. Katie. 4.